I gave you my heart.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am doing some updates inside my living room. I've asked my neighbor to help me install the LED lights in my sort of a bar cabinet, and he did a great job, if I say so myself. Yeah, so here's a little video while we self-quarantine and the world has stopped. We find a lot of DIYs and a home improvement really to take on to keep us busy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you get entertained and press that notification button as well. More videos to come. I've been shopping quite a lot as well. As you know, the boredom, is something that makes us, spend more money as well, I find. Okay, guys, enjoy and let me know if you like. Until next time, thanks for watching. Enjoy the video. So it's a bit of cleaning as well, and just doing my dishes, and just getting a bit busy and sharing with you what I've been up to in the last few days. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye now. So you're gonna be in the video. YouTube needs to see your work.
No,
the world. This is Jason. Say hi. It's my neighbor, handman. I'm gonna do myself. See the magic tonight. Jason's gonna make it happen for me. Guys, I'm just here washing some glasses. As you can see, they were quite dusty as I don't sort of tend to use the glasses in that cabinet, and I just want to make sure it looks nice and clean for display. Guys, find washing dishes really kind of sort of it relaxes me as well. I quite enjoy that, washing by hand as well. Guys, here's a little overview of my lounge slash dining room. It's a fairly big apartment, but not as big as the houses in Africa and some of the properties I see in America. But it's enough to fit my couch and then a little couch. And I've got my entertainment area and then my dining room and my little sort of a cabinet over there. Yes, so guys, and that's how everything turned out. It turned out, you know, I really enjoy, especially in the evening when everything is dark, all lights are off, and you know, it's just a nice relaxation environment for me. I find quite relaxing, you know, and I've never been a sort of a big fan of LED lights, but I mean, if he's done settled and in a sort of a tasteful way, he's kind of lovely. As you can see, I'm playing with the remote control here, trying to really sort of see what he does. Probably not going to be doing the flashlights. It's not me, but I like the transitional, like the sort of a smooth change of colors, and as well as really solid colors, you know, depend on my mood. Normally in the evening, I can see having the red on the red, and that blue and that sort of a pepperly lilac-y. I quite like it very much. Yes, so guys, enjoy. Let me know if you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, and please guys start subscribing. I want to be encouraged to really carry on doing this. I think you know, because I had this account for so long and I stayed years and years without posting or any videos at all, and my account is growing slowly but surely. No one is in a hurry here, but you know, it would be great to know that you guys are enjoying the videos. And for those who have subscribed so far, thank you so much, you know, for taking your time to subscribe to my channel. I very much appreciate. And when we get to that 1,000 subscriber, guys, and we'll be doing a giveaway for you all. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, bye.